Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for some fun today?
Oh, I'm already excited, Clara, because today's topic is one of my favorites, hobbies.
Hobbies! Yay! Just hearing that word makes me want to grab my guitar and start playing right now.
That sounds great. Today we're going to talk about hobbies, what they are, why we love them, and how to talk about them in English.
Exactly. So, get comfortable, grab your notebook, and let's talk about hobbies together.
All right, Clara, let's start with a question. What is a hobby?
A hobby is something you love to do in your free time.
Right, it's something that makes you happy and helps you relax.
For example, I love painting and listening to music. Those are my hobbies.
And I love playing football and reading books.
Great! So everyone watching, what are your hobbies? Think about it.
Let's teach some simple sentences about hobbies.
Good idea. Everyone, repeat after us.
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is dancing.
I like to play football.
I love painting.
Excellent! These are easy ways to talk about your hobbies.
You know, Arthur, some people have fun hobbies like cooking, drawing, or gardening.
True, and others like traveling, swimming, or playing games.
Hobbies make life colorful.
They really do. Clara, can we play a little game?
Sure. What kind of game?
Let's play Guess the Hobby.
I love that game. Okay, you start.
I use a ball. I run on a field. What hobby is it?
Football.
Correct! Okay, your turn.
I use colors and brushes. I make pictures.
That's painting.
Yes. Okay, one more. I use a camera and take pictures.
Photography.
You're good at this, Arthur.
Thanks, Clara. Now it's your turn, everyone watching. Guess the hobby. I use water, a pool, and I move my arms and legs. What hobby is it? That's right, swimming. Great job.
Let's learn some more vocabulary.
Sure. Everyone repeat after us.
Read,
Draw,
sing,
dance,
cook,
play football,
watch movies.
listen to music.
Excellent. These are all common hobby words.
Clara, what hobby makes you feel relaxed?
I think painting makes me feel calm and happy.
Nice. For me, reading a book with a cup of tea feels perfect.
That sounds lovely. Let's teach a few more sentences.
Sure.
I enjoy reading books.
I love playing guitar.
I spend my free time painting.
My favorite hobby is swimming.
Great practice.
You know, hobbies can help you learn new skills too.
That's right. If you cook, you learn about food. If you play chess, you learn to think fast.
And if you play music, you learn rhythm and focus.
Wow! Hobbies are not just fun. They are good for your brain.
Let's make a small challenge for our viewers.
Oh yes, challenges are fun.
Everyone, say 3 sentences about your hobbies in English.
For example, I like to paint. I enjoy music. I love gardening.
Perfect. Now it's your turn.
Arthur, do you think watching TV is a hobby?
It can be, but maybe it's better to have active hobbies too.
That's true. Watching TV is fun, but doing something creative is even better.
Yes, like making art, writing, or playing an instrument.
Exactly.
Okay, Clara. Let's do a mini role play.
Yay! What's the situation?
Let's imagine we're meeting new friends and talking about hobbies.
Sounds good. Let's begin.
Hi, Clara. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like painting and listening to music. What about you?
I like playing football and reading books.
That's nice. How often do you play football?
I play twice a week.
Great. I paint every weekend.
Awesome.
See, everyone? That's how you can talk about hobbies with new friends.
Yes, it's easy and friendly.
Let's do some repeat after me sentences for practice.
Okay, ready everyone?
I like to read books.
I like to cook food.
I love to dance.
I enjoy listening to music.
My favorite hobby is painting.
Perfect.
Can hobbies help us meet new people?
Of course, when you join a club or a group, you make new friends with the same hobbies.
That's true, like music clubs, art classes, or football teams.
Yes, and speaking English in those places helps you practice too.
So, hobbies make you healthy and happy and help your English.
That's amazing.
Let's add some adjectives to describe hobbies.
Great idea.
Fun, relaxing, exciting, creative, interesting.
Nice. For example, painting is relaxing.
Football is exciting.
Reading is interesting.
Dancing is fun.
Cooking is creative.
Perfect.
Okay, now let's play true or false.
Ooh, I love this one.
Reading is a hobby.
True.
Sleeping is a hobby.
Maybe false.
Playing football is fun.
True.
Eating pizza is a hobby.
False. But it's delicious.
Yes, I agree.
Now let's talk about how often we do hobbies.
Yes, we can use words like always, usually, often, sometimes, never.
For example, I always listen to music.
I usually read at night.
I often paint on weekends.
I sometimes play games.
I never get bored with my hobbies.
That's perfect.
Arthur, what hobby would you like to learn next?
I want to learn how to play the piano.
Wow, that's amazing. I want to learn dancing.
Maybe one day we can both perform together.
That would be fun.
Let's teach some question forms about hobbies.
Sure.
Okay. What's your hobby?
What do you like to do?
How often do you play football?
Why do you like painting?
These are all great questions for practicing English.
Let's ask our viewers to practice too.
Yes, everyone, answer these in English. What's your hobby?
What do you like to do?
When do you do your hobby?
Why do you love it?
Perfect practice.
Let's talk about indoor and outdoor hobbies,
Oh yes, indoor hobbies are done inside the house.
like reading, cooking, drawing,
Outdoor hobbies are done outside.
like football, gardening, cycling.
Exactly.
So, Arthur, what do you prefer, indoor or outdoor hobbies?
I like outdoor hobbies more.
And I love indoor hobbies. Perfect balance.
Okay, time for another mini challenge.
Yay!
Everyone, think of 3 indoor hobbies and 3 outdoor hobbies.
For example, indoor, cooking, drawing, reading. Outdoor, football, swimming, cycling.
Great!
Let's add a short vocabulary recap.
Good idea.
Words we learned: read, paint, cook, dance, play, sing, draw, swim.
And also adjectives fun, relaxing, exciting, creative, interesting.
Perfect recap.
Okay, Clara, now let's talk about why hobbies are important.
Yes, hobbies help you relax after work or school.
They make you feel happy and positive.
and they give your brain a rest from stress.
True, that's why everyone should have a hobby.
Let's do another mini role play.
Sure.
I'll be a teacher asking about hobbies.
Okay, I'm a student.
What's your hobby, Arthur?
My hobby is reading books
Why do you like reading?
because it helps me learn new things and relax.
How often do you read?
I read every evening before bed.
Great answer.
That's how you can talk about hobbies in English.
Easy and fun.
Let's teach one more thing. I'm interested in.
Good one. It means you like something.
I'm interested in music.
I'm interested in art.
I'm interested in sports.
Perfect.
Okay, time for a recap.
Today, we learned how to talk about hobbies, ask questions, and describe them.
We learned new words and played games too.
And we practiced with easy sentences like, I like painting, and my hobby is reading.
Great job, everyone!
Before we go, Arthur, tell me, what's one message for our learners?
My message is learn English with fun, just like your hobby.
That's beautiful. Thank you, everyone, for watching today's lesson. You did great. Keep learning, keep enjoying, and never stop doing what you love.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye, friends.